What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Harrison here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make daily sales with Master Affiliate Profit as a beginner with 5 simple steps. If you can follow these simple steps, then there's no reason why you cannot make daily sales with Master Affiliate Profits unless you are just not willing to put in the work, not willing to do what you have to do in order to make it work. Now, you probably joined a whole lot of different programs and you still have not had any progress, you have not made any sales, and so you're looking for something like Master Affiliate Profits that you can join 100% free and yet still earn some income with that or some affiliate commission with that, even as a beginner. So let me show you what the 5 steps are right now, and then I'm going to show you how you can actually get started inside of Master Affiliate Profit 100% free. Earn while you in there as free as you earn. When you make the decision, you can upgrade whenever you feel like it. That's totally up to you. So what we're going to do right now is go into the 5 steps that you need to do in order to earn daily commissions or daily sales with Master Affiliate Profits as a beginner with these 5 steps. So let's go to it right now. So the first thing you have to do in order to earn any commission with MAP is that you need to join MAP, and you can join 100% free. It does not cost you anything to join. You can earn for free as a free affiliate, and you earn a certain amount of commissions with that. You're not going to earn anything, like I'm earning because I'm a platinum member, but there are different levels that you can come in at. One is free, the other one is silver, the other one is gold, the other one is platinum, and then there's VIP. I am platinum. You can come in as a free member and earn, income, commissions and residual income as well as a free member. So join MAP. That's the first step to becoming, or the first step to making daily sales with Master Affiliate Profits as a beginner. The next thing you want to do, is buy Traffic Jumpstart. What is Traffic Jumpstart? Traffic Jumpstart is just what it is. It's going to jumpstart you into start getting leads, eyeballs on your free affiliate link, which is going to help you make daily sales, or could make you help daily sales. Now, it's not going to help you make daily sales if you are not doing what Traffic Jumpstart tells you to do. So you want to make sure that you buy Traffic Jumpstart, and I'm going to show you how much that is, how much that's going to cost you, or how much the investment is for that in a few minutes. The next thing you need to do is step number 3 is upgrade to the Platinum membership. Why Platinum membership? The Platinum membership allows you to earn 2-tier commission. It allows you to earn more on commissions than you would as a free member. As a free member, you earn 6 different ways, but as a Platinum, you earn 7 different ways, Plus, as a free member, you only get a certain percentage. As a Platinum member, your percentage is higher on your commission. So you want to upgrade to the Platinum membership. Now, here's what I would do. First, focus on getting in as a free member. Go through the Traffic Jumpstart training, start earning you some commission, and then you can work your way up the ladder. Come in, upgrade to the silver. That's going to give you more commissions. Upgrade to the gold. That's going to give you more percentage on commission. Then you can upgrade to platinum. But if you're just ready to come in as a free member, you're ready to see how things are, you see how things, the potential of Master Affiliate Profit, the potential of MAP, you can go ahead on and just upgrade to platinum, and let's just rock it, because now the people that you bring in, with MAP are going to help you earn 2-tier commissions as well. And I'm going to show you that here in a little bit. Step number 4 is watch the Traffic Jumpstart video. It amazes me how so many people come into MAP and everything is laid out for them. Watch this video, do this, do that. But they still come into the group asking questions. What do I do next? I don't join. What do I do now? Follow the training, follow the step. You don't need a sponsor follow the step. Yeah, I'm sharing this affiliate link with you. Okay. And if you decide to join, yes, you join under me, but MAP has made it so I don't have to do any training with you. Everything is in the back office. And that's the same with you. When you bring people in, your only sole responsibility is to continue to get traffic and bring in more free members in MAP and to get them to upgrade along the way. So watch the traffic jumpstart training, follow the training. And step number 5 is actually do what the traffic jumpstart says do. It's just that simple. If you can do that, then if you can follow instructions and do what the traffic jumpstart training tells you to do, there's no reason why you should not have success with Master Affiliate Profit. So right now, let me go ahead on and show you what it's going to look like inside of your back office and what you should do next once you join MAP. So once you join MAP and you get in your back office, the first thing you want to do is watch this video right here. John and Omar are going to tell you what it is that you need to do exactly in order to make MAP work for you. The reason why MAP was created. Watch this video and then watch the click here for mandatory orientation. Please go through these videos, okay? It's going to help you in the long run as you're getting along with your Master Affiliate Profit affiliate program, okay? Where you can start earning commission. So make sure you watch this video. Now, when you're ready, you can come over here anytime. You can right here, if you're ready to go platinum, click on get platinum access and then you can upgrade to platinum. But if you're not ready to go platinum, you can come over here and go to upgrade. Okay. And it's going to tell you what you're going to be able to get. Okay. And you can watch this video here. As a free member, you're going to get the affiliate tools and training. You're going to get the live discovery training, but you're going to get to earn commissions as a free member. 100%. 25%, 20%, 10%, 5%, and then third-party commissions as well. So that's 6 income streams inside of here that you get to earn as a free member. But just look at it as you go across. This is silver, okay, gold, and platinum. As a silver member, beside, instead of the 25%, you get 40%. As a gold, you get 50. As a platinum is 75. Commission add-ons. As a free 20, silver 30, gold 35, platinum 50. Commission clicks, you get 10 free, 10, 10, 10 all the way across. Live workshops, you get 5%, silver gets 10, gold gets 15, platinum gets 20. Third party commissions are all the same. Second tier commissions, only platinum gets to earn that. So I highly recommend that you go platinum as soon as you can. But if you can't, just go through the process. Okay. Come in as a free, start earning some commissions, upgrade to silver, gold, but I would go platinum. You can do it monthly or you can do it annually. That's totally up to you. Okay. And I have had someone join me annually, and I'm going to show you that here in a moment. So make sure that whatever you do, you want to follow the process here. Watch this video, go here, and then upgrade after you have watched this training, this orientation training here. And this is going to be your affiliate link up there. Now we're going to look at how to join Master Affiliate Profits. All right, to join Master Affiliate Profits, the only thing you have to do is click the link in the description, get started, 100% free. You're going to come to a page that looks like this. It may not have this particular text on it because they're split testing different opt-in pages, but you're going to see a page like this. Click for access. Once you click for access, it's going to ask you to enter your best email. You are actually setting up your free account at this moment. Make sure that you see Richard Harrison here, referred by Richard Harrison. Okay, enter your email, click to get your free account so you can get going in the right direction. Make sure I am your sponsor or the one who invited you to Master Affiliate Profits. After you have entered your email, you're going to come to this page right here where it's going to say Master Affiliate Profit System. Let's create your MAP username, enter your full name and create your username here, and then click the save button. Once you do that, it's going to take you here. Your free MAP account has been created. And we've emailed you your password. Go check the email that you use, grab the password, copy it, okay? Copy it and paste it here. That's all you have to do. You're gonna have a few minutes, 30 minutes or so to do that. Just go get it, grab it, and paste it in here. Once you do that, you're gonna go to the next step, which is gonna offer you with the Traffic Jumpstart. So you want to make sure you get the Traffic Jumpstart. This is going to include the videos, and it's going to include the ebook that comes with it. If you decide that you don't want to invest the $9.95, that's cool. You can go and just get the ebook for $4.95 if you want to do that. Just make sure you get the Traffic Jumpstart. Here's the thing. When you invest $9.95, when you become a free member and you start promoting, when someone else invests $9.95, you get the entire commission, okay, on that 100% commission. So just remember that when you're going through this process. And now you may be wondering, even if you can, earn affiliate commission with traffic, with MAP, with the Master Affiliate Profits. Well, let me show you. As a free member, okay, if you had been in that platinum as I am as a free member, you would have earned $396.68. Silver, $620, $23.38. Gold, $774.50. But as a platinum member, I have earned, $1,152, from being platinum and thing. So this does work if you're willing to put in the work. If I go over here and look at my ledger, it does work. You'll see the commissions here. Earning and pending $585.59. So if you're ready to get started with Master Affiliate Profit, go ahead and click that link that's in the description below to go through the process, get started for free, and I will see you on the inside. Leave me a comment below, like the video, share the video. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.